Good morning, cadets. After periodic test, let's once again begin the WebEx classes. Today we have a grammar session. The topic for today is determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are those words which come from noun and show how they are used. The use of noun is necessary after a determiner. It's a very simple and a beautiful definition, very simple definition. Determiners are those words which come before noun and show how they are used. Secondly, the use of noun is necessary after a determiner. Sometimes a qualifying word may also come among determiner and noun words. So, kinds of determiners. Articles, definite article and indefinite article, they fall in the category of determiners. Demonstrative. Demonstrative means whatever we use to demonstrate, show that, this, these, those. Possessive. Possessive means belonging. It's mine, it is his, like that. My, our, your, his, her, their, its. Quantifiers, which shows the quantity. A few, a little, much, many, a lot of, most, some, any, enough. Numbers, countable. One, 10, some, any, many, a few, all, several, each, every, either, neither. Distributive, all, both, half, either, neither, each, every, only. Now let us check out the examples. Articles. Articles, you are very familiar with them. A and the. They are the articles in English language and they are divided into two categories. That is indefinite articles. A and are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Use of a and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. The use of a and is basically related with the sound of pronunciation of words. As all of you know, that it depends. If it is consonants, generally we use article a, and with the vowels, generally we use an. A is used before words which begin with consonant sound, no matter whether their first letter is a vowel or a consonant. A man, a boy, a university, a European, a pen, a dog, a useful thing, a useless pen. An is used the words which begin with vowel sound, no matter whether their first letter is a vowel or a consonant. An apple, an hour, an MA, an egg, an air, an MBBS, an elephant, an honorable man, an MSc. These are the examples. Note, a and an are weak forms of one. Yeah, when we refer to a single item, we use article a and. These are used before countable singular nouns. Point to be noted. These are not used before uncountable and plural forms. So only one item should be there. Then we use article a and. Material nouns and abstract nouns are considered uncountable. Therefore, a and cannot be used. We don't say there is a army or an army because it is collective noun. I have bought a gold yesterday. We don't say because it is material noun. Before them except for some specific situations. So every rule has exceptions. Use of a an. Before the countable and singular noun which are used for the first time. I have a book. She lives in a hut. He saw an old man. Mrs. Sharma is an empire of this match. Before such singular noun complements which signify a business or a profession. She is a nurse, he is an engineer, Neeraj is a doctor, she is an actress. Before expressions of price, speed, reputations. 2 rupees a kilo, 6 times a day, 80 rupees a dozen, 20 kilometers an hour. Before numerical expressions, half a dozen, a lot of, a great deal of, a great many, a quarter. Before singular countable in exclamatory sentence. So very beautifully things have been explained. What a beautiful flower. What a pretty color. What a cold day. Before abbreviated form of degrees and posts. Very clearly, if the word begins with a vowel sound, then an is used. If the word begins with consonant sound, then a is used. An MA, an MSc, an MCom, an SP, an LLB, an MLA, an SDM, an LDC, or a BCom, a BSc, a UDC. A is used before Mr., Mrs., Miss surname if the speaker is not well acquainted with the speaker. This has to be very clearly understand. A Mr. Sharma had come to the office today because he must have come to your office and he must have introduced, I am Mr. Sharma, but you don't know him. So this morning, a medical representative, Mr. Sharma had come. A Mr. Sharma had come to my office because you are not familiar. Usually, we don't use articles before proper nouns. That we have to be very clear. What does the rule say? A is used before Mr., Mrs., Miss plus surname if the speaker is not acquainted or known to the other speaker. A Mr. Sharma refers to a person to whom the speaker is not introduced. If the speaker knows him, he should say Mr. Sharma instead of a Mr. Sharma. Definite article. The is definite article and it can be used before singular as well as plural nouns in the following situations. Before nouns introduced earlier. I saw a lion, that is first time. The lion was sleeping under a tree. Next time we use the. We heard a noise. The noise came from the neighbor's house. Before superlative degrees of adjective. Ravi is the best singer in the school. My uncle is the richest man in the town. Exception. If possessive adjective, if there is possession, belonging, possession means belong, like my, his, her, their, your, our, have been used before superlative degree, the is not used. He is my best friend. He is the best friend, we will not say, because there is a possessive adjective. He is my best friend. Best is superlative degree, and there may be a question why the is not used. So it's an exception. Mr. Dixit is our best teacher. Before nouns defined by a phrase or a clause. The girl in the blue skirt is my sister. The man with a little nose is our principal. The cars made in our factory are very cheap. The book on the table belongs to the library. before singular nouns which signify the whole class or race. When the whole community or class is referred, for example, the dog is a faithful animal. So it refers to the entire class. The elephant has a long tusk. All elephants have. The cat likes milk. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, bays, deserts, islands, chains of mountains, canals, jungles, plural names of countries and republics. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the Thar, the Sahara, the Himalayas, the Aravallis, the USA, the UK, the West Indies, the UN. If words like lake, mount, cape come before such entities, the is not used. So for Himalayas, we say the Himalayas, but we don't use it for Mount Everest, Lake Mansarovar, Lake Cap. Before adjectives which are used as nouns, the brave always rule over the earth. The rich should help the poor. The weak can do anything. Before the names of things which are unique and only one in the world. The sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, the earth, they are all unique things. Before the names which are a combination of adjective plus noun. The national highway. National is adjective, highway is a noun, so it's a combination of adjective plus noun. Before the names of religious books, musical instruments, and ordinal numbers. The Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the violin, the flute, the first, the fourth, the 11th, the last, the next. When two comparative degrees are used in one statement, the more you have, the more you want. More is comparative degree. The more you have, the more you want. The sooner, the better. The higher you go, the cooler you feel. Otherwise, we say with comparative degree, we never use the. But when there are two comparative degrees in the same statement, article the is used. When a proper name is compared with a well-known or well-renowned proper noun, that well-renowned proper name acts as a common noun and the is used before it. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. When we talk about Shakespeare, we don't use article the. But here we are accepting that in India, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of means India. Before the names of religious communities, caste, nationality, political parties, ships, trains, aeroplanes. The Hindus, the Sikhs, the Jat, the English, the Indians, the Americans, the Congress, the BJP, the CPI, the CPM, the Pink City Express, the Ashoka, the Titanic. Before the surnames used for entire family. This evening, I have hosted parties for the Guptas. When I say the Guptas, means the whole family. The Guptas, the Gupta family. The Sharmas, Sharma family. Before the dates and day of national importance. The 15th August, the 26th January, the Independence Day, the Republic day. Before nouns which come after the words like all, some, of, one of, each of. All the boys, some of the boys, one of the girls, each of the winners. Before the combination as noun plus of plus noun. The Bay of Bengal, the temples of Mathura. Before the names of newspapers, directions, and regions. The Rajasthan Patrika, the East, the North, the East. Omission of articles. Sometimes articles are not used. No article is used in the following situations before proper noun, material noun, abstract noun. Arjun was a great archer. Gold is more expensive than silver. Wisdom is greater than wealth. When a common noun is used in a wide sense, man is a social animal. When we say this sentence, it means every human being wants to socialize. Everybody wants to socialize with someone. Man is mortal. That means every human being will die. Before the names of languages, subjects, public places, games, diseases, meals at definite times. I am learning French. They go to school regularly. I have lunch at noon. She doesn't like physics. We play hockey every day. He goes to temple daily. Before the names of nations, colors, festival, states, cities. India has a very old and rich culture. The leaves of this plant have turned yellow. Deepavali is celebrated with pomp and show. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Before the word God, when G is capital and the word God is used for Almighty. He prayed to God for help. God is everywhere and within every soul. Before the names of bed, church, court, hospital, prison, school, college, university, when they are used for primary purpose. I go to school to study. My father is coming to the school to see the teacher. Now, articles are over. The second variety of determiners are demonstratives. This and that are used for singular countable nouns, and when we want to say plural, we use these, those. This student is my brother. These books are ours. That cat is mine. This and these are used for things which are near. Yes, this you have to know. When you refer to things close to you, we use this or these. When you refer to distant or far away things, you use that for singular, those for plural. The third variety is possessive, means belong. My, our, your, his, her, its, their are called possessive, and these are used to indicate relation of things or action with other things or noun. He is my brother, that is relation. Your brother is coming, that is again relation. Quantifiers. The fourth variety of determiners is quantifiers. Little. It is used for uncountable nouns and it means very less or negligible. I am very busy. I have little time for fun. A little is used for countable nouns, but it means some amount, less amount, but it means an amount. There is a little milk in the jug. Now, the little. The little means all that is there. Though it is less in quantity, but it refers to whatever is there. I ate the little food you gave me. Few, it is used for plural countable nouns. It is countable. It means less or negligible. He has few books. A few, it is used for plural countable nouns. It means something but less in number. Only a few boys passed in English. No, no, English everybody has to pass. The few. It is also used before plural countable nouns and it means all that very less. I have already read the few books I had. Whatever I had, I have read all of them. Many. It is used before plural countable nouns. It means large in number. I have many friends. Much is used before uncountable nouns and it means large in amount. So many is used for countable, much is used for uncountable. I don't have much milk. Some. It is used for countable as well as uncountable in affirmative sentence to express offer or request. So it is always used in affirmative sentence. It means less in amount or number. There is not some milk in the pot. We will not say negative sentence. We will always say affirmative sentence. There is some milk in the pot. So it is used in affirmative sense. Will you spare some time for me? Any. It is also used before countable as well as uncountable nouns. It means some in number or amount. It is usually used in negative or interrogative sentences. But in affirmative sentence, it can be used with some negative adverbials. He did not do any work. Are there any plans? Of how negative adverbials it is used. He has hardly any work to do. Various and several. These both are used before plural countable nouns. Various is used for many things or persons of different types. Several is used for many things or persons of some category. Various books are lying on the table. He sold several books. Enough. It is used before both countable as well as uncountable nouns and it means enough or adequate in number or amount. I have enough money. Both. Both is used before countable nouns to indicate there being two in number. It can also be used for uncountable nouns if there are two types. Both of them were wise. I will drink both milk and tea. Now we have numbers, the fifth variety. Determiners signify number are of two types, definite number, indefinite number. Definite means indicating definite number such as 1, 2, 4, second. Indefinite indicates some, many, a few, many, many it means several, but singular noun is used with it. Many a man has lost everything due to greed. Very beautiful example. All, it means including everyone or the entire amount there is. All of us were tired. A lot of, a great deal of, a good deal of, plenty of, a large number of. All these are used before singular countable, plural countable nouns, and these mean large in number or amount. I have a lot of friends. People have a good deal of faith in democracy. Sixth variety, that is distributive. Each, every, either, neither are used to indicate one person or thing among many persons or things. So, once again, it is used to indicate one person or a thing among many persons or things. It is used for a definite number. It is used when the number of person or thing is limited or less. Every. It is used for a definite number of persons or things. Each question carries equal marks. So many questions are there and each question carries equal marks. Every word of this letter is correct. Either room is good, neither boy was present. It is used to indicate that one or none or nothing else. Sangeeta is the only girl fit to take this responsibility. The bank is the only place where our money can be saved. Rahim is the only cook who can cook such delicious food. So this is all about determinants. We can have 15 practice sentences. Somebody can volunteer so that I get confidence that my cadets are with me. For past 27 minutes, I have been speaking and definitely cadets have understood it. So I would like some cadet to volunteer for these 15 questions. Oh, I can see a cadet Abhimanyu volunteering. Yes, cadet Abhimanyu. The first sentence is she is dash untidy girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Tell
Ma'am,
us.
ma'am, resume the meeting, ma'am. You may post it.
Yeah, the first sentence. She is
Yes.
dash untidy girl.
She is an untidy girl. Second
She's
one, she scored the highest marks in the examination.
yes. The
Third one, April is the fourth month of the year.
okay.
Fourth, fourth one, Sunil, the watchman of our colony, has gone home.
Yeah,
There
there
is
is
no
no article. No article.
which is fifth one, which is the nearest railway station from here.
Okay.
Sixth one, uh, Ganga, no article, ma'am. Ganga
No,
is the
no. The
sacred.
rivers will take articles. The Ganga.
The Ganga is the sacred river for the Hindus.
The Ganga is a sacred river for the Hindus. Yeah.
Seventh one. Let's discuss the problem seriously.
Yeah, they are talking about a particular problem. So
Yes, yes,
let us discuss the problem seriously.
ma'am. Eighth one. I first saw the Himalayas a year ago, but I have not climbed. No article Mount Everest.
Yeah, before Mount Everest, no article.
Ninth one. I was driving my bike at 6 kilometer an hour.
Okay, 60
Tenth
kilometer an hour.
one. Yes. Tenth one. The sky is overcast.
Yeah, unique things.
Yes, ma'am. 11th one, he is the poorest boy of the class.
Okay.
Is it right, ma'am?
Yeah, obviously, superlative degree.
Yes, ma'am. 12th one, I bought a pen and import and a pencil.
Yeah.
13th one, don't make a noise.
Yeah, usually, including me also, while in spoken English, we say don't make noise, but the actual thing is don't make a noise.
Don't.
A will come, A will come. Yes.
14th one, draw the map of India.
Yeah.
15th one, dog. Dog is uh, dog is the animal.
Okay, that's wrong because we are what you call talking about entire class. The dog is an
The
animal.
dog is
Yeah.
animal.
Thank you. Exercise 2. Yes.
The old and the young lived together.
Okay.
He turned on the television.
He turned on the television.
I got cold, ma'am. No article.
Yeah.
I have got cold. No article.
Yeah, fine. Fourth one.
Most of the students were absent from the class.
Yes, article the.
The tiger is a fiercer animal.
Fierce animal. Yeah, very wild.
Yes, yes. The honesty is the best policy.
Honesty.
Is the best policy.
Yeah, no article before abstract noun. Honesty is
Yes,
abstract
now
noun, Bhavachak Sangya, so there is no article. Honesty is the best
is the
policy.
best.
Very
Yes.
good.
The one more has the one more wants.
Yeah, to a comparative degree, the more one has, the
Yes, yes.
more one wants. Okay.
Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India.
Yeah, referring to somebody else. Okay.
Yes. Please open the window.
Yeah.
Where there is a pen, I bought. Where where
Where
no
is?
article is no. Pen
No.
I bought last.
He's referring to a particular pen. Where is the pen I bought last week?
Yes,
Particular. The will come. Where is the pen
yes,
I bought last week? Particular pen.
yes, ma'am. What is the matter? The will come.
You skipped two sentences?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, please open the window. You skipped.
Please open the window.
Yeah. What is the matter?
Yes. Where is the pen I bought last week?
Yeah.
What is the matter?
Yeah.
I am fond of that. I am fond of tea with the milk.
I'm fond of tea with milk.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Sneha is
Mr.
is
Sinha is abbreviation. Which article?
the ma'am.
Cadets. Which article?
And ma'am, and
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 he is
vowel.
he is an MA in English.
in
Mr.
English. Yes.
Sinha is an MA in English.
Open the book and read passage.
Open the book and read the passage.
After after the years or two,
After a year or two,
a question can be answered.
after a year or two, the question can be answered.
Answered.
Okay. We have some more
Um, Yes, sir.
exercise number 3. Yes, Cadet Abhiram.
Yes, ma'am. Number one, the Englishmen speak English, ma'am. There is no
Article before
determiner before
English.
English.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Gold is a useful metal.
Yeah,
Number
exception.
two, the hunter saw a bird in the tree.
Yeah.
And fourth one, can the blind see?
Okay.
Number five, Sri Lanka is to the south of India.
Yeah.
Six, the cow is a useful animal.
Cow
Seven,
is the cow
the
is
hottest,
the cow is
a useful animal.
a useful animal.
Yes, ma'am. Seven, June is the hottest month of the year.
Okay. Thank you.